So I finally decided to get my COVID vaccine. So I'm going to get myself vaccinated, and nope, it's not a promotion, it's just my decision. I'm not promoting nothing to nobody. It's just my decision. It's what I want to do to myself, and Daryl still don't want to get no injection, but I'm ready. I feel like mentally I'm there, I'm ready. So yep, we're going to the health center. Yeah, I check out the site where they have all the schedule, schedule for the vaccination schedule. I'm pronouncing it right? Yeah. Schedule. So I checked out the vaccination schedule on the site, and today they will vaccinate people from 9 o'clock till 3 p.m. So I'm gonna get my first COVID vaccine. Yep. So Errol said no. He said no. Alright, so in case them right about vaccine and we drop out here, you're there for the kids, and in case it's vice versa, we're there for the kids. Yeah, but trust me guys, we just know we are going to St. Anne's Bay Health Center. Yeah, man. So we don't know yet where it is. We're gonna try to find it. Hey guys, we arrived. Yeah, St. Anne's Bay Health Center. Errol already changed him decision, said if you want, just if him would have just get vaccine and done. Say no, give me a time, test me first. Oh, so much people, oh my god, so much people, look, Jesus Christ, a lot of people, I tell you, Jesus peace, that's so much people. Maybe we're not gonna make it today, I don't know. Yeah guys, that is what is going on right now. They have different injections, so I guess I'm have to sign for it. Alright, so now I'm gonna sign for the vaccine and I guess join the crowd and wait for my turn. So I'm gonna pray, I'm gonna call Jesus. Oh man, yeah, I want a vaccine. Yeah, sure. Guys are already. Errol say injection. You say injection? Alright. See you guys, that's what I got from Health and Wellness Ministry, a card. So with it, I'm good to go to get my vaccine. Yeah. Yep. I'm nervous. I am nervous. Most people here, they take vaccine because they have to travel. So me, I have to travel too. Oh, your line, I gotta get injection in the face. Why? Yeah. You alright? Where done it there? Oh, it's in there. You're gonna be alright. Don't worry. Know yourself. Me next door.
Done already.
Thank you.
I need to look so long, I'm never even feel it, sir.
It felt like it's a go.
Danny, someone get injection. Please.
Like in the muscle.
But you know, some can't believe say going so fast.
Huh? Yeah, look at this. Wait, you felt it the same?
Yeah, right. Like, it pain me a little bit now.
It not pain, like you kinda stop feel your hand up. So not feel, but it go deep down. It's not even a pain.
Like a numb.
Like something going on your Like you don't feel the done. Yeah? Calm down.
Yeah, pray. Pray for you too.
But you don't feel like feel kinda like I feel it though.
Maybe I feel something in my hand now. And maybe the knee go going.
Yeah, going home now. Going home now. And I will surely record our evening. So let's see how we will feel in the evening.
It's my auto lock.
In the evening here. How we will.
You want food?
Yeah. No, I'm alright. No, I'm alright. Yeah man, so far good to go. Honestly guys, I did not want to discuss COVID-19 vaccination and everything because I believe that it's everybody's personal choice, but my opinion, I don't know, I just decided because I'm afraid of the whole COVID-19 lungs issues. I don't want to leave on 50% of the lungs, so I know I say get vaccinated because I don't know, I just afraid of what COVID-19 can bring, even though I'm young and I don't really have to worry about my health conditions because they said mostly elders are affected with already some issues, health issues, so it just, you know, boosts all those health issues and, you know, that's why they die and everything. But I'm a one healthy lungs, so I don't want to leave out 50% of my lungs. That is it. It's just my thoughts about the whole thing. I said no. Yeah, so that is main reason why I decided to get vaccinated. But it's not promotion still. Everybody's choice. So please remember how you feel. That's all you're gonna do with your body. Here, your body a choice. Nobody can force you to know. Yep. So you see, guys, I have little mark left. I had more blood than Harold though. See here. Maybe Harold said that he just has more muscles than me. That's why. Yeah, that's my mark. Let's see. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Swaggy, and a long time now welcome Uno. So today, yeah, welcome to my channel. Yeah, so it's day number 4, if I'm not lying to you, since I got injection, my husband got injection. So what I can say, we had first night very terrible. Yeah, the first night was terrible, and we had fever and chills and everything. Yeah, but then everything went away, so we are feeling things got good. Yeah, and the only one thing that had left is a little pain in the arm. It's not even a pain, but it's like some annoying feeling in the arm. Yeah, like you can call it a pain, I guess. Yeah, you can call it a pain. Yeah, so I'm just trying to not focus on it, honestly, and I'm trying to eat more fruits, vegetables, and exercise, because I believe you just need to be, like, you know, healthy. Watch what you eat, how much you eat, and especially I decided to cut sugar level, how much sugar I consume. Yeah, I decided to cut it because I've been going hard, and since my mom, she's diabetic, I am in a good risk. So I said, Swaggy, you have to stop consume too much sugar, because sugar no good. And you know, as you know, honestly, sugar everywhere, not even in a slice of bread, so it's impossible to cut it when you don't have a real diagnosis on you. But if you can cut sweets, I mean, if you can cut this unnecessary unnecessary sugars, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, and I love to eat them. So sweets, no, say no to sweets, say no, yeah. So that's what I'm trying. So let's see. All right, so anyway guys, I'm not chat too much. Well, anyway, what's going on? I decided to renovate my kids' bedroom, and I went to the local store. Because here in Ocherius we are locked of opportunities to choose from many stores. So we have some stores, I can count them on your fingers, where you can buy nice stuff for your home. Yeah, if I know if I would ever, live in Kingston would be more easy, but since we are in Ochi, we're located in Ochi tourist town, so that's what comes with it. So I decided to just buy what I had here, and don't order it cause I hate waiting for so long, and plus when you order heavy stuff, the customs will love to charge you, a lot. So I went to the store, and first of all I bought bedding set, twin sets for the kids with the blankets. So yeah, because in Jamaica I noticed that a lot of stuff comes only with a thin cover but not a blanket. I don't know what. Maybe you have to, sort out yourself. Yeah, buy yourself a blanket. But anyway, most sets they come without good throw. Yeah, so I bought 2 twin sets, and I'm gonna show you. I am not happy with the quality, but that's the only thing they had in the store, so I had to work with what I had. And I don't really like the design. If I would just order from Amazon something like Lacoste, and where me would know that the quality would be good. And yeah, but I am renovating kids' bedrooms, so I can't do that, So I have to work with something like kitty, for kids, because I have 2 little boys, and I was like saying what they would love to see, and they don't really know yet what will change in the room, so it will be a little surprise for them too. So let me show y'all. So I bought this 2 sets. They are the same because I decided this time they had one set with dinosaurs, but I said I just want them to have the same, so they will not fight over it. Nobody will be sad over nobody's blanket design, and yeah, that's it. That's what I bought. But I am not really happy with quality. As you can see, it's a polyester. I would love to buy something with cotton, but the store never had it. So yeah, this is the set, just orange color, and it does not mean nothing, just a nice orange color, right? Yeah, and they also have the little throw, not thin throw, yeah, and blanket like I wanted. So that's what I bought for the kids. And also I said since I will have orange color in it, I need to change their curtains. So I bought some nice curtains too, so I'm gonna show you guys what but I still love the curtain. I love the curtain, but it's very thin. So let's see if this one will be thin too. I don't know, but we just don't have the nice set for this curtain. I'll figure it out. Probably had to order online. Yeah. And this guy's sea view. You can see the sea from. Oh, that. Nasa, some nastiness going here. Is that from the inside or shit outside? See them? Some Ebola going outside. Oh my god. Some worms. Ew. I need to clean that thing. No, 2-piece. I forgot on it. This one better. Wait. But looks like this one teen too. I definitely will need blockouts. But all kids need blockouts. Morning if you wake up. No blockouts. When I need for blockouts.
Okay.
Yeah, it's alright. Yes. Wow, it's an orange curtain.
Hey, orange hand, see?
Huh?
Orange hand.
Where?
Like this.
Oh yeah, I see. I'm orange. Yeah.
Orange.
Okay. Yeah. So this is a curtain. Yes.
So
Open.
Wow. Oh, guys. Beautiful.
Now then you will be sleeping in your room? Yeah?
You then gonna sleep in your bed tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
I love
You
this.
can go to the moon, see the rocket?
Yeah.
The spaceship?
It's a spaceship.
Yeah.
Gonna sleep.
Take a sleep.
This blanket is so big.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Enough big. Yeah. So cool.
Mm-hmm. So nice, right? Say thank you, mommy.
Thank you, mommy.
And see new curtains too. It's orange. It really nice with the color of the beds. That's why I decided to pick this color also. I decided to surprise my family with Russian style. Oh, my hair, move. Excuse me. Yeah, so this is Russian style dumplings, fried dumplings, if you can say so. So first time I'm cooking it first time for my family. I don't know why I wasn't giving it a chance before, because we don't really eat such things, but just decided, got up in the morning and say, why I never cook this for my family, why not? Yeah, but I know Jamaican people will say, that the same like fried dumplings, but I'm not really the same, you know. Yeah, so like maybe some people are gonna say, or maybe it's a pancakes, but and a pancakes need a, yeah, and a fried dumplings and a pancakes. So oh, it's the burns. Shit, it's burning. Oh my god, I'm burning. Hey guys, so see, this is what it looks like. Yeah, like a pancakes. Yeah, in Russia we call it aladushki. That's how we call it. Yep, just fry flour. So Errol said he doesn't want it because he's on diet. Well, my son will always support me. How does it taste? Good? Okay.
My water.
Guys, see what I have here. I have here fresh pine. Yeah, man. So I go enjoy my fresh pineapple. Your girl is going to do some little hygiene shopping today. So I'm gonna do one look called hygiene shopping, because I don't know how things go. Sometimes I have to treat myself. I have to make myself look happy. We go a town. Yeah, so Errol said, Swaggy, make sure you keep your money in your pocket. I say, alright, I always keep my money in my pocket. What do you youth? So when I want for shop to drop, I have my funds. So no style me. So yeah, I go buy something nice for myself. Yeah, so it's have to go in a bag. We work. So guys, this is a Errol hygiene Irish spring. So I'm just a go China man store, buy them in a bulk. Yeah, some bulk. See my future car? That's my future car. Yeah. We'll open the rooftop, but I will have the pink one. Or a pink Barbie doll. Guys, we had to stop Fisherman Point, because Earl has something to deal with in the apartment. Yeah, so when when you own a property, you have to always check on it, or other than that, it could just give you too much problems here. So when problems arise, you just go and solve it, and you're good to go again. So yeah, that's the only minus for me. I mean, the renting properties. Yeah, when it comes to renting properties, because something always give problems, so you have to come and sort it out, fix it. Yeah, good thing we live close to our property, so we can just do it faster and do it yourself. Yeah, because when you do things yourself, it's always better. Yeah, so just here. Yeah. But guys, look at the swimming pool, ready for swim, well ready. Today ever clean though. Looks like them just clean it. Why? Wish I could have a swimsuit, so I could have deep in it. Deep in it. Deep in it. Yeah, but we still have to do some roads, so can't do that. So 3.
Let's go.
Куда мы пойдем? Осторожно по ступенькам, пошлите. So Errol said he doesn't want even to go with me to shop for my hygiene. I say go alone. I'll go with Pani in the car. So end up taking some nail polish and just need some. Well, we need to stick to what I really need, cause me just go and take up some things I don't really need, and don't spend up my money and don't buy whatever I really need. Yeah, so that is the thing. Well, I'm gonna know what that looks good. Deep cleaning soap, sponge, something new. I've never seen it before though. So on the 15th time you can use it. So guys, we did a look for the hair mask, so just see something, and guys, I threw the price 5,000. I say no mask, no hair mask can cost 5,000. Come on, 5,000. Miras. Errol said I was taking too long, so they came for me. Yeah, here comes Beggins. Yeah guys, I'm doing a little shopping. Yeah.